Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share PC. You can go to media and just click import and prepare the music file. Just import, for example, click open, and here just add to the track. Right. Another way, go to audio and select music, and you can select sound effect. There's some music available here. Sound effect can extract audio from your video, and you can add TikTok sound, just link to TikTok account. Alright, you can also add the audio record. Just click on this record icon. Alright, that's how you can add the music and CapCut. You see, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.